Photos are everywhere. They're on billboards, they're on buses, they're in magazines. Photos can spread information about how people lived and what their circumstances were. Show us what nature was like and what it looks like walking through a field of flowers. It can show us a moving picture of someone smelling a flower and how it can heighten our sense of touch, smell, without actually being there. It shows us what people did and what the world around them looked like. But most importantly, it can make us feel like we are part of what we are watching. A simple photo can inspire someone to draw or to paint, to even display that image taken onto a building, to advertise, inspire, and create potential in someone with endless possibilities.